Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're looking at Jay-Z's new freeform dreadlocks. Now I noticed a picture of him a while back, and I didn't know if he was actually going with the freeform look, and it was actually a surprise to me that he even had his hair like this. But to tell you the truth, this is really cool. I just always think it's really interesting when you see someone who typically has like a bald head or just like a really short haircut, and then they start growing their hair out. It always just seems really cool. But you guys, before I even get to the video, make sure to comment down below what you guys think of his dreadlocks right now, and also be sure to go follow the Instagram page. It is @Dreadlocks, and also go peek at the new Great merch. It's really dope. But without further ado, let's check out Jay-Z's freeform dreadlocks. So the first thing you need to know about Jay-Z's dreadlocks is his hair type, because without his hair type you don't know what method he could have chose to get his dreadlocks. Now just by looking at his hair, we can tell that his hair type is either a 4B or a 4C, but I'm leaning more towards a 4B. And the reason we always try to figure out the hair type is because that leads us onto the method that he did choose, which you can obviously tell the method in this case is freeform. And typically with the 4B or 4C type hair, it's always easy to spot freeform dreadlocks just because they always have a really unique style to them, and his are really unique. And I think his hair looks really cool, and I think it suits him very well. The next thing I want to bring up is the maintenance that he does, which to tell you the truth is probably nothing besides washing, which I always say with people with freeform dreadlocks is probably the only thing that they do is wash the hair and allow it to dry. That is simply freeforming. People always think that you do towel rub to get freeform. People always think you could twist to start freeforming. You literally do nothing to start freeforming. The only thing you can really say you can do is start growing your hair. That's how you freeform. All you do is grow out your hair and don't do anything to it. Don't touch it. Besides when you wash it, obviously. Now moving on to the hairstyle that he does choose, with his hair being this length, there's not much you can do. But to tell you the truth, he has rocked this hairstyle very well. Even by covering it up, like it still shows with when he wears a beanie or when he wears a hat, still looks really cool. But like I said with the hairstyle, there's not much he really can do at this stage. But I do want to see him grow this hair out. Hopefully he does grow out really long, because that'd be really cool. But comment down below what you guys think he's going to do with his dreads. Is he going to keep them? Is he going to get rid of them? What do you think about his dreads? Comment down below. Also comment down below who you guys want to see next. But that is basically everything you need to know about Jay-Z's dreadlocks. If you wanted to get dreads like him, if you follow the steps that I told you, you can do it exactly like him, but you do have to have this same hair type, which is a 4B. But you guys, like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure to go follow the @Dreadlocks page on Instagram, and also go check out the merch. The link is in the description. Give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.